We begin tonight with the breaking developments in the killing of conservative activist Charlie Kirk. Just a short time ago, the suspect Tyler Robinson and his first appearance in court. The suspect appearing over a video link, the first time he's been seen since his arrest. Utah County Attorney Jeff Gray signaling late today his intent to seek the death penalty. Robinson facing 7 charges now, including aggravated murder, obstruction of justice, and witness tampering. And the county attorney sharing for the first time that suspect's mother allegedly recognizing her son from the surveillance images and then going to her husband and he agreed, and what they did next. The county attorney also revealing text messages the suspect allegedly shared with his roommate, saying the suspect disliked Charlie Kirk, texting his roommate, quote, "I had enough of his hatred." And tonight here, the Utah County attorney on what the suspect allegedly said when asked by his family and by his roommate why. Matt Gupman leading us off again tonight from Utah.
Tonight, the man accused of gunning down conservative activist Charlie Kirk in front of hundreds of people, appearing before a judge for the first time, now charged with 7 counts, including aggravated murder.
State of Utah versus Tyler James Robinson. Could you state your name?
Tyler James Robinson.
The 22-year-old appearing to listen intently, nodding slightly, as prosecutors said they would be seeking the death penalty.
We did file just recently, within the last few minutes, a notice of intent to seek the death penalty.
Earlier today, County Attorney Jeff Gray outlining the case against Robinson, including video and DNA evidence.
DNA consistent with Robinson was found on the rifle's trigger.
He described Robinson's appearance in those widely circulated photos, the black cap, shades, t-shirt with an eagle and an American flag. Millions saw those images. One of them was the suspect's own mother.
Robinson's mother saw the photo of the shooter in the news and thought the shooter looked like her son. Robinson's mother expressed concern to her husband that the suspect shooter looked like Robinson. Robinson's father agreed.
And prosecutors say that father got his son on the phone.
Robinson's parents were able to convince him to meet at their home. As they discussed the situation, Robinson implied that he was the shooter and stated that he couldn't go to jail and just wanted to end it. When asked why he did it, Robinson explained there is too much evil and the guy, referring to Charlie Kirk, spreads too much hate.
Prosecutors say Robinson's parents convinced him to turn himself in, and his mother later describing a change in her son.
Over the last year or so, Robinson had become more political and had started to lean more to the left, becoming more pro-gay and trans rights oriented. She stated that Robinson began to date his roommate, a biological male who was transitioning genders. This resulted in several discussions with family members, but especially between Robinson and his father, who have very different political views.
And prosecutors say that in the hours after the assassination, Robinson texted that roommate a note.
The roommate received a text message from Robinson which said, "Drop what you're doing, look under my keyboard." The roommate looked under the keyboard and found a note that stated, quote, "I had the opportunity to take out Charlie Kirk, and I'm going to take it."
Prosecutors say that at first the roommate thought Robinson was joking, but Robinson insisting he wasn't.
To be honest, I had hoped to keep this secret till I died of old age. I am sorry to involve you. Roommate, you weren't the one who did it, right? Robinson, I am. I'm sorry. Roommate, why? Robinson, why did I do it? Roommate, yeah. Robinson, I had enough of his hatred. Some hate can't be negotiated out.
And David, that suspect here at this jail is under what's called special watch to ensure that he doesn't harm himself or that others don't harm him. Now, he's had those 7 charges brought against him. Some of them enhanced, said the prosecutor, because he allegedly committed this crime in full view of children. And when I asked the prosecutor whether anyone else was involved, he said he couldn't comment, but the investigation is ongoing, David.
Matt Gupman leading us off here again tonight. Matt, thank you.